subject one value, then you have to substitute that. Okay, the first example is x plus y equal 5, x minus y equal 1. This is our simultaneous equation. So now what I supposed to do, I have to do label these two equation. I take first one as 1 and the second one as 2. So I have to do the label. Okay, then by first one I am going to subject x. So I have to write here by first equation subject x. So I'm going to subject x. Okay, now how do you do that? My equation is x plus y equal 5. I'm going to subject x, so I bring this y other side. Okay, x equal, I bring this y other side, it comes plus y. If you bring other side, it comes minus y. Or if you difficult to do this type, this method, then you can do put, how do you remove plus y? You put both side minus y. So last time we talk about that part. X equal 5 minus y. This is your subject value. Okay, then how do you solve this equation? How do you solve this equation? You have to substitute this x minus 5y, substitute into x equal 5y, x equal 5 minus y. You have to substitute to second equation. So how do you do that? X minus y equal 1. Now you know this x equal y equal 1. If so, what is the value for x? X equal 5 minus y. 5 minus y equal 1. I here look at this part. For the value x, I put this value 5 minus y. Then I can write 5 minus 2y equal 1. 2y, you can remove this 5 by adding minus 5 both side. Then minus 2y equal minus 4. Then divide by minus 2. Then you get y equal plus 2. If you know the value of y, so how do you, this is the value of 5, how do you, we will check that. Wait, yes, look at this one. Using this case, I will mark this as a 3, third equation. Using this third equation, by third equation, so I can write x equal 5 minus, for the y value, look at this y value is 2. Here y I put 2, so I put 2 here. X equal 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, so what are the value for x and y? Then you can write x equal 3 and y equals 2. These are the values. So how do you solve this using substitution method? First step is you have to label these two equation as 1 and 2. That is the first step. First step is you have to label these two equation as 1 and 10. Okay, 1 and 2, sorry. Then what I supposed to do? Then I told you take any equation and subject x or y. So I can easily subject y in here. If you use this one, I can subject x in here. So I will use second equation. By using second equation, I can write what x plus 2y. So how I subject? I will put minus 2y either side. Then I can remove this 2y then x equal 7 minus 2y. Now I know the value for x. I can mark this is as a third. Okay, this is a third equation. So I use this second equation. I have used this second equation. Then what I have to do, then I will substitute this x value. Look at this x value. This x value is this 7 minus 2y. I am going to substitute this x value in here. So in my equation, okay, I write here substitute x in first equation. So now you can see 2 into what is the value for x. You have done here, the value for x is 7 minus 2y plus y is there, then equal 5. Now this equation is the last day linear equation. So how do you solve that linear equation? 14 minus 4y plus y equal 5. Then you can write 14 minus 3y, sorry, yes, equals 5. Okay, 24 4y plus, am I correct? Yes, it is correct. No, then what I supposed to do in here, I have to subtract y. So first I have to remove this minus 14. I have to put here 5 minus 14. So minus 3y equal, you can write minus 3y equal minus 9. Then divide either side by 3 minus, then y equal plus 3. If you know the y value, here look at this, your y value. So you can substitute this y in your third equation, this value. So then you can write x equal, you can write y equal 3, substitute to third equation. So x equal 7 minus 2, y is 3, x equal 7 minus 6, x equal 1. This is the value for x. Now you already find out the what is the value for x and y. Here look at this, you can write x equal 1 and y equal 3.